Hello everyone, this is Cassie Waring of UFOSightingsDaily.com. I want to show you something that's really strange. There is some dark matter kind of structures on the back of a moon of Saturn. Now these are two moons of Saturn, okay? This is Dione right here, and this is Titan right here. And on the back of this Titan moon are these black structures. See these black structures? This is the original photo right here. This is absolutely original, untouched, from the NASA website. And I'll show you that in 3 seconds. And here is the one I touched up right here and added a lot of light and everything right there. Let's look at the original website. This is the original website, okay? And it is the APOD website of NASA. Has a NASA link, and I'll put the link right below in the description about it. This is an official government link. So just take this photo and put it onto your computer, okay, and drop it into your photo program. Okay, here is the photo after I added a lot of light to it, and you can see that Titan has these weird structures back here. But let's bring it back to normal. Push this button, boom, everything's normal again. Just to show you, I'll pick one up off the desktop, drop it in. Okay, it is the normal one. But I want you to try this for yourself. I'm using Photoscape X on the Mac, and this will work on any program, anything that can add light to it. And we can look at just this part. Let's go add light to it. Brighten, see, brighten just for light. Push apply, do it again, light. Ooh, you begin to see something coming up over here, don't you? Do you begin to see those structures back here showing? Push apply. Let's keep it close up and look at this. Okay, keep that, apply it. You can see some weird structures right there. Now, I really blew this up pretty big here. Let's do it one more time. Yeah, apply. Now you can see that this moon seems to turn a little bit early here. It's not a perfect circle on this side, where it is a perfect circle on this side. It seems to be either smaller because the buildings are covering it, or smaller because these are not buildings in the first place. They might be Photoshop errors made by NASA photoshopping stuff, one moon in front of another moon. This could possibly be a Photoshop error that NASA had made. Now, it really could be a Photoshop error, but it's hard to tell. Now, let's look at the original again. This is the original, and this is Titan close up. And all these structures are right here on this moon, okay? This is Dione, this is Titan, taken by the Cassini spacecraft back in 2005, I believe. And the photo I have from the official NASA website is a photo that was astronomy picture of the day. Well, what do you know about that? Wow, I'm amazed. Astronomy picture of the day. Well, since it is picture of the day, it was back in 2010, we should really look into this. Why are these structures back here? Let's see what happens if I add more light to it again. We totally lose Dione over here, and we lose most of Titan. But you can still see these black structures behind it. This isn't just a shadow. This is something much, much more than just a shadow. Let's cancel this. You can't see it very well there. But it is kind of interesting, isn't it? I'm going to add a little vibrance in there to bring out some of the colors. I like the colors, and I don't know why they're there. Why are those colors? Why is red back there behind Titan? Why is green behind Titan? It doesn't belong there, but it is. I just made the colors a little bit brighter there for you. Let's see if I can make them a little bit more. There we go. Try to make it bright again. Don't know. Just cancel that. But these structures go all the way up, all the way down to here and back. It's like the black structure is equal in size to the moon, but a little bit stretched out and longer in 2 or 3 areas. Like over here is an arm, down here is an arm. Now, why did NASA do that? Why did NASA do that at all? Perhaps they photoshopped. Perhaps they used Photoshop and used black ink and everything to make this blend in. it's possible it was Photoshop. But it's also possible that the moon, Saturn moon Titan, is not even a freaking moon. It's a freaking Death Star. Okay, it's a space station. It's a space station disguised as a moon that moves from place to place. So you believe what you want to believe. Tell me in comments what you think is going on here, because really, what the hell is going on? This is really, really strange stuff right there. Let's go back a few. Undo it, undo it, undo it, undo it, undo it, undo it. More. Okay, that's normal. That is normal right there. Now let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I guess that's it. Okay. So, this is Scott C. Waring of UFOSightsDaily.com. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll try to find more anomalies, more alien structures, and more lies of NASA to report to you soon. Thank you.